Hey guys, I'm going to be doing an updated fidget toys. I got loads. I got some for Christmas but in a fidget box. And so yeah, I'm going to show you the old and the new. So I got an elephant puppet. I got one of these. They're new as well. I got a bracelet puppet. This is new, a dimple dimple. I got a blue pop tube. I got one of these. I got one of these and they're new. They're in my fidget box I got for Christmas. I got one of these. It's a unicorn squid. You can play with it. It's really cool. So yeah. I got a stress ball. I got one of these and you can stretch it like. I'm gonna show you now. You can stretch it. I got one of these. And I got this is new as well, and it's a fidget cube. I got a chicken squishy. I got a llama squishy. I got a blue pop tube, and this is new as well. It was in the fidget box. I got one of these and the stress ball as well. I got a unicorn dimple dimple. Another unicorn dimple dimple. I got a fidget puppet, a circle puppet. This is new. I got in the fidget box. This is new, and this was also in the fidget box. This is my old puppet. This is my blue puppet. My pink pop tube. And this is new, was also a fidget spinner, and it's also new, and this is also in the fidget box. This is new, and this is also from the fidget box. Probably have to do a part 2 what all I got. Some old and new. I have to do a part 2. Bye guys.